This is my video review. I'm gonna show Rubik's Cube. So Rubik's Cube is made from Erno Rubik back in 1974 in Hungary. Yeah, it's Rubik's Cube's a Hungarian 3D puzzle. It takes time to solve this. Well, as you can see, Rubik's Cube has multicolored, and you just solve the same colors. I don't want to solve that one because I don't want to get messed up. So, like they say the word Rubik's Cube on the white one. This is white. This is red. This is yellow. This is orange. This is blue and green. So Rubik's Cube is, well, yeah. I remember I have a Rubik's Cube back then, but I don't know where it put. So this is the instruction of Rubik's Cube, as you can see. Okay. Come on. Jeez. Okay. Okay, this is be a master. Well, this is different kind. Well, what if you just give up? And you go to Rubik's website, www.rubiks.com. Rubiks.com. So Rubik's Cube. I bought that. It was. Let me think. $14. I got that from the Puzzle Zoo in Santa Monica. It's just let me think, $13.95. Okay. Inside, so I have to repair some fidget spinner. So fidget spinner. Rubik's Cube is a little bit challenge, but fidget spinner is unlimited. It's easy and unlimited, but Rubik's Cube is, you need to solve that. It's hard. Thanks for watching. Yay, goodbye. Please subscribe me. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Peace.